Let's start by analyzing the alerts category, which contains classes that allow notifying users of information. Usually, when an operation in the application succeeds or fails. Currently, the toolkit has two types of alerts, snack bars and toasts. Both are timed alerts that appear by default at the bottom of the screen. The difference is that a snack bar can be customized and anchored to any iView element, such as a control or a layout. Let's see them in a practical way. Once we have run the application, let's select the Alerts option, which shows the two types of alerts available in the toolkit. Let's start by seeing what a snack bar looks like. I will click on the Display Default Snack Bar button, which displays a message at the bottom of the screen that disappears after a while. Now I'm going to click on the second button. You can see how this time the snack bar has appeared over the button we have pressed with a custom color, which even allows us to perform an action. In this case, change the color of the button. Finally, the third option invites us to see how a snack bar works in a modal page. Let's go back to the alerts menu, and now let's see what a toast alert looks like. I'm going to press the first button, which displays a message again at the bottom, but shorter and with rounded edges. If we press the second button, we can see a message with larger letters. Let's analyze the source code. To do this, we must open the project of the examples, and in the Pages folder, open the Alerts folder, which shows the two content pages that we have seen in the example. Let's analyze the snackbarpage.saml page. Here, you can see that the buttons that show the snack bars have an event handler defined in the code behind. So I'm going to open the snackbarpage.saml.cs file to analyze it. Let's see first what happens when the button is pressed to show a snack bar by default. You can see that a method called displaySnackBar is invoked, which is nowhere to be found in this class. So where is this functionality? Let's find out by going to the method definition. We can see that this opens the snack bar class, and the reason why we can display the snack bar in this way is that an extension method indicates that any element that is of type visual element is going to have this functionality. As a content page is a class that inherits from visual element, we automatically get access to this method, which in a mandatory way requests a text string that will be displayed and that we can configure through multiple optional parameters, such as the duration time and an action to be executed. On the other hand, returning to the demo page, in the case of the event handler to display a custom snack bar, we see that an instance of a snack bar options type is created, which allows us to customize the snack bar. Then, the make method is invoked to create the snack bar, assigning the reference to the variable custom snack bar, which is of type iSnackBar, defined at the beginning of the class. The reason why the snack bar appears in a different place is because it is indicated as last parameter of the make method, which is the view that we want to take as reference to show the snack bar, which in this case is a button called Display Custom Snack Bar button. Finally, the snack bar is shown through the method show method. Let's analyze now the toastpage.saml page. In this page, again we see that buttons with event handlers are defined in the code behind, so let's go to the toastpage.saml.cs file. The code to invoke toast is simpler, since it is less customizable than a snack bar. First, an instance of a toast must be created through the use of the toast class and the make method, which requests as a mandatory parameter a text string. To show it, it is enough to invoke the show method. If we want to customize the toast a little more, we can specify a value of the toast duration enumeration and the size of the font.